let's see how to create meetings and templates. Now I'm in already this bookmark which has been created by me already, and in that bookmarks I'll go to this side panel, and here I will click on meetings. I'll click on meetings and a new window will appear again, and here I'll click on the star mark, which means create new, and again I need to give some suitable name for the meeting which I'm going to create, and the purpose of this meeting is basically the knowledge transfer to the newly joined trainees in a company. Okay, so this is the name I've given, and the subject again I need to give, which is nothing but knowledge transfer session. Yeah, fine, and yeah, okay, and once this thing is done, okay, let me give the suitable name which relates to my collaborative workspace. Okay, and yes, let me give the description as well, which is nothing but the KT session on drawing standards or design standards, and I have to schedule the meeting date. Let me give the meeting date as 6th of May 2020, and I have to specify the time as well, and time I'm going to specify as let it be 2 p.m. and the duration let it be 60 minutes. Okay, and let me just click on OK now. You can see the new meeting which has been created now, and yes, now let me set an agenda to the meeting, and for that I'll click on the already created meeting, and here I'll click on the agenda items, and again on the star icon which tells me to create a new agenda item. I'll click on that, and again I'll have to specify the topic of the agenda. Okay, the topic of the agenda here, and basically my agenda here is design standards and specifications, and let this be of some not 10, let it be some 20 minutes duration. Okay, and now that I've set the agenda, I'll click on done. Okay, and then I'll create a decision related to this meeting now. So I'll click on decisions, and again I'll go to the action center, and yeah, I'll go to the action center, and I'll create new. Yeah, I'll create a decision, and yes, let the name this time let it be auto named. Okay, and let me just describe the decision. The decision is all trainees must have the knowledge. I mean, they must acquire the knowledge. Acquire the knowledge related to design standards or the product that we are going to develop. That is the cycle right now. And let me click on OK. And you can see the decision has been created and it's been auto named. Okay. So now let me add a discussion related to this bookmark workspace that we have created. Okay. So I'll click on the bookmark workspace, and I'll click on the side panel, click on the discussions, and once I click on the discussions, again a new action center opens, and I click on top of this panel, and I'll click on create public discussion. So now I need to specify what kind of discussion is it going to be. Now the subject, let it be the tasks and responsibilities and the message, let it be discussion on tasks to each member. It could be discussions on tasks to each member. Yes, and then I'll click on OK. You can see a discussion thread has been created. So this is how to create a discussion thread. Okay, and then ultimately I would like to save this whole bookmark workspace with meetings and everything. I would like to save it as a template. So I'll go to this Action Center, then Properties, and then again on top of the Action Center, I'll click on Save it as a workspace. Now I have to, save it as a template. Now I have to name it name this template. Let me name it Mech Cycle 20, and the description I would like to give it a bit. Okay, fine. Workspace template, and yeah, that will be it, and I'll simply click on done. So this is how to create meetings, set an agenda to meeting, set the discussion on meeting, and ultimately saving it as a template. Okay, so thank you guys.